Question number 11. Complete the addition subtraction table. Means, in that first one see 4 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and we have to add. Okay. So, first what we will do, adding horizontally. Adding horizontally. First row. These we have to add and columns we have to subtract. So adding horizontally the first row. Okay. That is 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Both are like fractions, so answer is 4 plus 3, 7. 7 upon 7, that is 1. So here what will be the answer? Either you can write 7 upon 7 or 1. Now, adding horizontally the second row. Second row is given. See, 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. So 2 plus 1, 3 upon 7. So this answer will come 3 upon 7. Correct? Now we have to subtract. Subtract vertically. This is a column, no? First column. So what is that? 4 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. So answer is 4 minus 1, 3 upon 7. Here what will come? 3 upon 7. Now this, subtract vertically second column. What is the answer? See here, second column is this. That is 3 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. So answer is 1 upon 7. So here what 3 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7 is 1 upon 7. Now these two we have to subtract. Subtract vertically third column. What is third column? 7 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. That is, now 7 minus 3, 4 upon 7. So the answer is 4 upon 7. In this way, we can complete the addition subtraction table. 11th one, complete the addition subtraction table. Okay. Now see here, these horizontal rows are there that we have to add, and columns are there that we have to subtract. See, they have shown rows we have to add and columns we have to subtract. So adding horizontally first row. Now what is first row here? 7 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. That is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 upon 4. Okay. This we have to add as like fractions. So add numerators. So answer here is 10 upon 4. Okay. Next, adding horizontally second row. Now second row is 1 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3. See, now here 1 upon 9 and here 2 upon 3. What is LCM of 9 upon 9 and 3? Both are unlike fractions. So take LCM. That means this 2 upon 3 we have to multiply by 3. So 1 upon 9 will remain same plus 2 into 3, 3 into 3. That is 1 upon 9 plus 2 3s are 6 upon 9. That is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 9. So here what answer will come? 7 upon 9. Okay. Now see addition of 1. Now we have to do subtraction of 3 columns. So subtracting vertically first column. Okay. So that is 7 upon 4 minus 1 upon 9. Now again these are unlike fractions. So we will take LCM. LCM is 36. That means this we have to multiply by 9 and this fraction we have to multiply by 4. So 7 upon 4 into 9 minus 1 upon 9, this we have to multiply by 4. Correct? So 7 9s are 63 upon 36 minus 36. So what will be the answer? 63 minus 4? 59. It is 59 upon 36. This is the answer of this first column. Next, subtracting vertically second column. Okay, so that is now second column is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So this again unlike fraction, what is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. 4 3s are 12. So this multiply by 3 and this fraction multiply by 4. That is 3 upon 4 into 3 minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4. That is 3 3s are 9, 12 minus 4 is 8 upon 12. That is 9 minus 8, 1 upon 12. So this answer here, subtraction of second row, so second column is 1 upon 12. Now, and students here also see 10 upon 4 we have written. So both are divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So here we can write answer 5 upon 2. Okay. Subtracting vertically third column. So third column is 5 upon 2 minus 7 upon 9. Now look at this 2 and 9. 9 to the 18. So multiply this by 9 and this fraction by 2. 5 9s are 45 upon 18 minus 14 upon 18. Okay. So 5 minus 4 1 3 18. Okay. So what will be the answer? 18 on the 18. Now 31 minus 18 2. Okay. 11 minus 8 3 and 1. That is 13 upon 18. So this is the answer. Okay, 1 and 13 upon 18. This is the answer. 12th one. Shivan's office is 1 and 2 upon 3 kilometers from his house. He walks 3 upon 4 kilometers and covers the remaining on auto rickshaw. How much distance he travels by auto rickshaw? So what we have to do? First, total distance is 1 and 2 upon 3 kilometers. From that, 3 upon 4 kilometers distance he covers by walking. So that we will subtract. Okay. So that remaining will be the distance covered by auto rickshaw. Now, this I will convert. This is in fraction and this is in mixed fraction. So this I will convert it into improper fraction. So how to convert? 1 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. Okay. Whole part into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the formula. Minus 3 upon 4. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. Now see, both are unlike fractions, so we will take LCM. What is LCM of 3 and 4? It is 12. So multiply first fraction by 4. Okay. Minus multiply second fraction by 3. Now 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12, minus 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So what is the answer? 11 upon 12. 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 upon 12. So how much distance it travels by auto rickshaw? It travels 11 upon 12 kilometer by auto rickshaw. Okay. Question number 13. Two athletes X and Y run around a stadium. X takes 3 and 1/4 minutes to complete one round, whereas Y takes 11 upon 5 minutes to do the same. Which athlete is faster and by what fraction? Means here we have to compare the fractions. Okay. So what we will do? First take 3 and 1 upon 4. Okay. Now this I converted into improper fraction. So how to convert? 3 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. That is 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. Okay. And this is 11 upon 5. So we have to come. Therefore now we have to compare 13 upon 4 and 11 upon 5. Who is greater? How to compare? Look at them. They are unlike. So take LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Correct? So therefore multiply this fraction by 5 and this by 4. That is 13 upon 4 into 5. Okay. And we have to compare. We have to find out who is faster and all. That means comparison is there. So okay. So 13 5s are 65. 4 5s are 20. And here 11 4s are 44 and 5 4s are 20. Correct? Now here see, by looking at the number you will say he takes more time, no? He takes more time. 65 upon 20 means more time, and he takes less time. So see, so which athlete is faster? For that what criteria is there? Who will take less time? That will be the fastest athlete, correct? And by what fraction he is fastest? So what we have to do? See here, we have to now 44 upon 20 is the, let us not show this box because you will get confused. Okay, we have to find out who has taken less time. Now if we compare, this is greater, means X has taken more time and Y has taken less time, correct? So by how much he has taken less time? So 65. From this we have to subtract this. So see here, do subtraction of both. 5 minus 4 1 and 6 minus 4 2. Correct? That is, now this is improper fraction, so convert it into mixed fraction. 21 are 20 plus 1 21 upon 20. So who is fastest? How to write the answers here? Those who takes less time. This is the less time. So Y athlete is fastest. Which athlete is faster? Y athlete